everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and today we are talking about Uzalo, guys. Angazo mina ngedwa yini, but for me storyline Uzalo siyadavuza siyabheda, but ke they're about ukuletha a twisted vavavum on their story. The teasers reveals ukuthi Nyawo will be shocked hearing that Nkunzi is no more, and KwaMashu Township will struggle to come to terms with Nkunzi's death. But between me and you, Nkunzi akafile, and I think ukufa wakhe is part of his plan for what we don't know. The 31st of August 2022 revealed that Nkunzi will vow to get strong and go after his enemies. So Uyapila, he's just being strategic in jet to fight with his enemies undercover. Nkunzi, guys, they have a lot of enemies. Uzalo osbu abamfuni, they want to take over his business. Makwaza nabo abamfuni, they are trying to take over KwaMashu when Nkunzi rule. So there is a lot going on in his life. Good story. Before I end this video, guys, I want to know if ungathiwa rate ama writers Uzalo ungawa rate kuphi from 1 to 10. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.